Why you couldn't come?
Huh?
Why you couldn't come?
I'm busy with work.
What?
I'm busy with work. You take they want
Yeah,
for
yeah,
you,
yeah.
then I
Yeah.
tell you.
Hah? Kaya mo.
Oh my God, last week.
Okay lang nga lang.
.5-liter Toyota Prius C. Now this is the all-new hybrid right here that gives you up to 27 kilometers per liter, and of course more fuel consumption savings for you guys will mean more cost savings in the long run. And of course this is one fantastic ride with the use of hybrid synergy drive along with a super steering and internal multiple colors for you to select from. You will be able to enjoy this right now as pioneers in Singapore. So it's not available live right here, but you can actually pre-book right now. So we're talking about an amazing range of automobiles being sold out today. And of course right now, once again, congratulations to Toyota, Molly Motors, as they have another order for the Toyota Prius C. Now throughout today, we're talking about a whole wide range of locked down for you guys only till Sunday tomorrow. So remember, if you're making a purchase, whether it's an accessory, a pre-owned car, or a brand new car, you guys get to be a part of our buyer's draw today. Now for new car buyers, up to $2,000 worth of free petrol vouchers. For pre-owned car buyers, up to $1,000 worth of pre-owned.
Sorry.